Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a quick simple Bengali fish curry recipe called Foli Macher Tok Jhol using the Foli fish and Gandharaj lebu. This is the Foli fish which is more readily available in Bangladesh than in West Bengal. Let's have a closer look at the fish. You can see it has been cleaned and gutted. Let's have a quick look at the other ingredients. I will need 4 slit finger chilies, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 medium red onion crushed roughly, the juice of 1 Gandharaj lebu, 2 dry kaffir lime leaves, 1 teaspoon of kalo jeera, and 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili and coriander powder. Let's season the fish with salt, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Rub the spices into the fish nicely. Make sure you do it on both sides of the fish and then set the fish aside. Heat mustard oil in a frying pan. Now we will shallow fry the fish for 2 minutes on each side. This will give the fish a nice color and texture. Let's turn the fish over. They are sizzling away. Now it's time to take them out. That's all the fish shallow fried. In the same pan, add the lime leaves and the kalo jeera, and give them a stir. Now it's time to add the crushed ginger, garlic and chilies into the pan and fry them together for a minute. Then add the roughly crushed onions and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want, you can crush the onions finer, but I like the texture of roughly crushed onions. Now add the powdered spices into the pan and mix them in. Add salt according to your taste and fry for another minute. Then add the juice of the Gandharaj lebu and mix it in. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 2 minutes on low flame to cook the onions. Let's take the lid off and check on the onions to see if they have become a bit more pulpy, and they have. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or gur if you don't have brown sugar and mix it in. Now add enough water to cook the fish. Give it a stir. Now let's add the Foli fish to the pan one by one. Scoop some of the gravy on top of the fish like I'm doing here. Then put the lid on and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the lid off and turn the fish over very gently, else they might break. Then put the lid on and simmer for another 5 minutes. As you can see, our Foli fish have all cooked through and are looking quite appetizing. Let's plate up this delicious Bengali fish curry. Garnish with slices of Gandharaj lebu. Foli Macher Tok Jhol is best served with steamed rice. Foli fish has a distinctive flavor and tastes slightly different from other Bengali fish of the same kind like pabda or tangra. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!